Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get money from Alipay. First, ensure your Alipay account is fully verified with your real name and identification documents. This is a crucial step for all financial transactions. Next, link a valid bank account to your Alipay wallet. This account will be the destination for your funds. We'll cover the specific steps to initiate a withdrawal and what to expect regarding processing times. Once your account is verified, open the Alipay app and navigate to the Balance section. Here, you will find the option to withdraw funds. Select this and then choose your linked bank account as the destination. Carefully enter the amount you wish to transfer. Double-check all details before confirming to avoid any delays or issues with your transaction. After entering the amount, you will be prompted to confirm the withdrawal. Review all the information, including the destination bank account and the amount. Be mindful of any potential transaction fees, which are usually a small percentage of the total. Once confirmed, the withdrawal process begins. Funds typically arrive in your linked bank account within 1 to 3 business days, depending on your bank and the time of day. Always ensure your linked bank account details are completely accurate to avoid any transfer problems. Also, be aware of any daily or monthly withdrawal limits that Alipay or your bank might impose. These can vary but are often quite generous, sometimes up to $10,000. If you encounter any issues, Alipay's customer service is available to assist you. For more great content and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.